guys, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video we'll be making tell them
Oreo ice cream.
in today's video we'll be making Oreo ice cream. We're gonna make an easy homemade ice cream for you guys. And we love Oreo. You love Oreo?
Yes.
Do you love Oreo? You guys love Oreo?
I think because he say yes.
So we're gonna make your favorite ice cream. Stay tuned and watch us, and we're gonna show you how we make our Oreo ice cream. So what we'll be using to make this Oreo ice cream, what is ice cream without cream? So we're gonna use some heavy cream, condensed milk, sweetened. We're gonna use pinch of salt because we know we're better run. Joke.
Oreo?
I'm gonna use about 3 Oreo. 2.5. No, 2.5 Oreo. 2.5 Oreo. And that's it. See, simple ingredients. So every cream, milk, salt, and Oreo. And we're gonna need a whisk. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the cream of the cookie and we're gonna mash them. Taking out the cream, we're gonna take off the cream off of this. Take off the cream, then take off the cream, then put them in the bag. So we have a Ziploc bag right here.
Just easy. You all put them in the bag. Now throw them in front. Not on garbage.
And what we're gonna tell guys, you need to stay in the house. You need to listen to the government.
Yeah.
Stay in the house. Social distance. It's not hard. Spend time with your family, guys.
Yeah.
Spend some time with your family.
Yes. Spend time with your family. Okay.
Find some fun activity to do.
Yes.
Or you can just watch our channel.
Yeah.
Please watch our channel.
Yes, please watch our channel. This is not, because it's fun.
Binge watch our videos. And cook some meal. Cook something you like off of the channel. We're find interested. Yeah.
There's more cookies, Mommy.
I want to show some love here to here.
Mommy, you could do this one of us. This one a cookie. Mommy, Mama opens home.
Okay.
Some cookies. I want cookies.
So that's it.
There's more cookies, Mommy.
So that's that one.
No, that's not it.
Put him in the back. Now we're gonna mash them.
Mash them?
Yeah.
I want to mash them too.
you're gonna break them up. Break them up.
It's hard.
Use your hand. Use your hand. Use your hand. Use my hand. You want big chunks? You want big chunks in there, or you want tiny chunks?
Big chunks.
Okay, so if you want big chunks, we gotta stop now. But if you want tiny chunks, you can.
Yep.
You can go on more. Okay, so this is good.
Hooray! We did it.
Now we're gonna add our heavy cream. And this is about 2 cups.
We're gonna add yesterday, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, yesterday. Put in now? I don't know.
And now more, you're gonna whisk this until it's stiff. We're gonna whisk it till it's stiff. The condensed milk into the bowl. Pour it. Now we're gonna add our salt. 1, 2, 3.
I'm doing 1, 2, 3.
Not too much, not too much, just one. You do one.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Because we don't want a salty ice cream. And then we're gonna add it. And then you're gonna add the Oreo mixture. Just pour it in. You don't need to use your hand. Just pour it in. Pour it in, pour it. All that in. All that in.
All that in.
We'll give it another whisk. Wait. So now it's looking like this. We're gonna pour it into the container that we're gonna put it in the fridge to set and freeze. Now we're gonna pour it. See how easy that was, Moy? It was easy or not?
It was easy.
Okay. So now we're gonna put it in the freezer. For about 2 hours the least for it to be frozen. That's right?
Yeah. I think that's enough, Mommy. No.
I'm gonna leave some for you to eat like this. I know that is what you want.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna give that a little tap, and then we're gonna cover it. We're gonna cover it with cover. We're gonna cover it. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 3 hours or 2 to 3 hours, and then we're gonna come back and show you what it look like. In 3 hours, I'm gonna look at it now. Oh my goodness.
You see it?
Oh my goodness, Moya. So this is the finished product. We have been waiting for how long to taste this ice cream, right, Maya?
Yes.
And you know it's finally done. And now we have served ourselves to taste it for you guys. And Maya is gonna taste some for me right now and tell me if I did a good job. We're gonna taste it now for you guys. Maya gonna taste it first. Is it thumbs up? Tastes good? You sure?
Yeah.
You're not lying for me?
Mm-mm.
Alright. So now Mommy gonna taste it. Tastes like real ice cream. Tastes good.
Taste it.
Okay, Maya. That's so mean.
I just want to take some for you.
That's so mean. So we're gonna give them some.
Mommy.
Hey guys.
Mommy, I'm on the phone.
That's alright. They know. I know.
I can scoop it now.
So,
Mommy.
thanks for watching our video. Leave us with a like if you like this video. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. We really appreciate that. Stand up. And tell them what you want to tell them.
I like everyone.
Thanks for subscribing and thanks for your constant support. Bye guys. See you guys in our next video.